So guys, good afternoon. Today we have a special guest, Valeria, my girlfriend. We're gonna do some reacts in this video. So it's a kind of new content that we will try to promote. Now I'm gonna speak Arabic to make people understand. طب دلوقتي يا جدعان انا معايا صاحبتي هوريها شوية فيديوهات مصرية وكده على التيك توك وهي هتدي رياكت عليهم بحيث وجهة نظرها او يعني هي شايفة الفيديوهات دي بالشكل عاملة ازاي من وجهة نظرها الأوروبية. I'm telling them that we're gonna show some Egyptian TikTok videos and you're gonna give your reacts. How do you think from your kind of perspective for being European on this kind of videos? Okay, so be ready. So I'm gonna put you caption down, you can read it by English. She's saying that maybe I can cook for you if I'm gonna be a wife, but I can play League of Legends, like the video game I'm playing. And she's showing that she's cute with the piercing and stuff, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So you give your expression or what did you understand about the video?
To be honest, I don't know what there is there to understand.
She was like I can't.
Okay, I get that, but
I can't cook,
okay.
and she's trying to show that she's cute.
Okay.
Do you think she's cute?
Why not? But not because of the video. I mean.
Oh my God, you're nice. And she got married after this video. You know, somebody saw her video, and she got married.
انا مش بتاع الجواز خالص وانا ناقصه اجيب لي نفسي راضي يقرفني ويكبس على نفسي وياكل دماغي.
So her husband have piercing in Egypt, so
It's not allowed.
I don't know. People criticize piercing and
Really?
stuff. Yeah, they criticize me when I wear my piercing.
Okay.
So you can see here somebody commented her. It was like, "Is this your husband? Do you think because of the piercing?" So this kind of she have 4 comments. Anyway, just let's forget about that.
الميه دي كوكونات ووتر 100% بيور. هو لسه في حد بيشرب الميه العاديه اللي ب 10 جنيه دي بنشتريها من
Do you understand what she's saying?
I'm trying to read, but the captions are too small.
انا ما بشربش الميه دي كوكونات ووتر 100% بيور. هو
She was saying that I only drink this
Coconut
kind of water.
I mean, this water is disgusting. I've smelled it. I've bought one. I couldn't even smell it.
في حد بيشرب الميه العاديه اللي ب 10
She was
جنيه.
like, "Do you think like there is any person drinking regular water anymore?"
Of course.
دي بنشتريها من الكشك او من السوبر ماركت ب 10 جنيه. يعني انتوا ممكن تتخيلوا ان انا اشرب ميه ب 10 جنيه؟ لا 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 سوري. انا ما بشربش غير الميه دي كوكونات ووتر 100% بيور. عشان انا بخاف على وشي وبخاف على شعري وصحتي. اذا انتوا مش خايفين على صحتي.
She was like, "I'm so afraid about my hair, my skin, my health. If you're not afraid about your health and your..."
They say it's very hydrating, good, but you can substitute it with
18 درهم. يعني
normal
She was
water.
like, "This can cost 18 dirham."
It's expensive. Generally.
Oh, what do you think?
It's bullshit. Everybody is going outside on the internet and saying bullshit.
في الشهر لو هشرب 4 مرات في اليوم كوكونات ووتر 100% بيور هتبقى تقريبا حسبة 2700 درهم.
She was like,
She's
"I'm gonna..."
flexing for the water.
Yeah, and she was like, "I'm gonna if I counted how many times or how much I'm paying."
I got these dragons and
She was like
I threw them away.
2,700
Yeah.
dirhams a month.
if you compare it بصحتكم وشعركم والجلو اللي في الوش والرينكلز هتكون قال كل الكلام ده بجد احنا بنستسهل لما نروح نجيب ميه ب 10 او 15 جنيه. بليز خلي بالكم من صحتكم.
She was, "Please take care about your health and don't be cheap about spending money on water."
بلاش اشربوا غير الكوكونات ووتر او اي ووتر يكون مكتوب عليها 100% بيور.
نفسي امال بشوفك انتي.
You know what she's doing? Tell me what did you understand from the video?
ايوه يا ستي انا شايفه نفسي امال بشوفك انتي.
She said like, okay,
انا
like she's sending a message to some girl, you know? She hate on her. She's like telling her, okay, I'm gonna see myself, and you think I'm gonna see you? Like I'm gonna show you off, and you think you're gonna show off?
Okay.
شايفه نفسي امال بشوفك انتي.
And she's doing like she's pretty, like an Egyptian woman thing, you know?
No. Okay, it's not Egyptian.
And she's vibing, you know, like she's very beautiful.
No,
You think she's beautiful?
she's fine.
This guy from my name, from my city, Alexandria, and he's selling like street food.
دلوقتي فيها حاجة أول مرة أجيبها عندي على العربية اسمها فواكه البحر، عبارة عن كابوريا وسبيت وفلفل ألوان، فأنا جبت منها شوية كده أعمل منها تجربة وأوريها لكم. جبت العلبة وأحط عليها معلقة شطة ونجيب رغيف ونفتحوه، ناخد كده معلقتين.
He's simple.
It's a fruit.
Yeah, he's simple in life that he put anything like chili powder on anything.
I've heard about something like tahini on fruits with sweet.
أو 3 معالق
But the bread?
من فواكه البحر ونفردهم في الساندوتش.
No. What the fuck?
وبعد كده نحط عليه شوية مايونيز.
Is it fruit?
Yeah.
الساندوتش
He put like chili powder on the fruits
And mayo?
and mayo on some.
No. Like strawberries and what else?
أعمله عندي على
What fruit?
العربية.
It was
No.
like his first time to do it.
فارس العصب
And
جايب
the last one.
عنده فارس العصب عشان بيحبكم.
Somebody's gonna kill him or he's gonna die if he tries it.
I told you about him yesterday. He's very famous in Egypt. He have 1,100,000. And everybody watching him. He do content.
Food review.
Nah. Do you think he's handsome?
It's fine.
He's a legend in Egypt. He teach people how to be good and how to be respectful, but he make like a food content, like blog.
البتنجان اخذ الكفته في حته تانية.
You know what she's saying? That the eggplant took the meat roll in a different. That's his logo.
Dimension.
Yeah, that's his logo. You remember?
بص بقى عالمي، النهارده هخلي لك الكفته
He's showing how he prepared it also.
Yeah, he's like doing a.
ياخد الكفته في حته تانية. انت متخيل؟ انا جهزت الكفته بتاعتي اهي زي ما انتم شايفين، هدخلها في
He
الفرن
was like, I prepared the.
ودلوقتي
meatloaf.
هقطع البتنجان واحمره في الزيت. هنشوف بقى البتنجان المره دي زي ما اخد البرجر هيقدر ياخد الكفته في حته تانية. هنشوف، انتظروني اوعوا تروحوا.
Like, do you remember when I did the burger with the eggplant? Now we're gonna do it with a kofta. Koftas mean like a meat loaf, you know, like a meat roll. So he's like, we're gonna see if it's gonna be good or no.
ايه
Of course, I don't eat meat.
Yeah, you don't. But
And I keep seeing this image for too long.
نسيبها كده ايه ربع ساعة من تحت ومن فوق هولع الشواية ونرجع لها تاني بعد ما نحمر البتنجان. هنحمر البتنجان بقى. تعالى بسم الله. الشريحة بتاعتي اهي بالشكل ده، تبقى صغيرة وما تبقاش رفيعة عشان تحس بطعم البتنجان.
he's showing you how to cut the egg.
Doesn't fit more.
He knows what he's doing. He's a big chef.
البتنجان اهو بخلصه واللحمة في الفرن هانت. تعالى لي بقى وحش كده.
Saying come to eat with me.
عملت الكفتة بس هي نار. المفاجأة بقى احنا خلينا البتنجان ياخد البرجر في حتة تانية، هنخليه النهارده ياخد الكفتة في حتة تانية. هجيب البتنجان، شريحة البتنجان تبقى محملة كده زي
He's putting it on pita. I thought he put the eggplant inside the meat roll also.
دايب دوبان.
I don't know why.
واجيب الكفتة بتاعتي الجميلة. بص
أنا.
يا حبيبي بتدلع كده يا سيدي. ايه
She say
After.
kita.
ايه الحلويات
كده.
دي؟
It means kita.
No, it's mean like kaftor.
جميل. هجيب بقى الايه؟
It looks like
المايونيز.
And he have
Same
Pepsi on the
vibe.
side, you know,
بسم
and
الله.
mayo and ketchup.
يا حبيبي انت جايبه
the
الاخر.
mayo is finished.
بسم الله
Can you refill?
يا حبيبي. رغيف مكلف.
It's like a
bon
very
appetit.
expensive loaf.
رأيي بما يرضي الله.
Like I'm gonna take you, tell you my opinion.
Why is he eating over the rest? I don't understand why. Like, no. Is he gonna eat it all now?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
حقيقي البتنجان ده يودي معاك.
Do you know that
في حته.
somebody commented him and told him like when you swallow here your tunnel because he's chewing and he was like the chewing situation taking the eggplant in a different way.
To be honest, he looks high as fuck, like hungry.
كباب. تستعب.
Look at his eyes.
حكايه. لازم تجربوا الكفته مع البتنجان.
Good.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Calorics.
Enough. Stop
Calorics.
speaking.
Calorics.
Eat.
Calorics.
Calorics.